start? Yesterday, the State Council of CPI, Manipur, had one day full meeting. And I also attended the meeting. So, meeting has discussed many issues. At the outset, we have to congratulate the people of Manipur for their verdict to defeat BJP in this election and to, to help to this candidate of the India bloc to win these elections. And I think this election was very important, along with the national verdict, which people of India gave once again against this present dispensation. Because we have seen many slogans before the election, Ab ki baar, 400 par, and many other promises, Modi's guarantee, this guarantee. So finally, the election result shows that people really wanted to replace this government. Why it was not possible? It was not possible because the Indian bloc itself could not find an appropriate seat sharing formula. If they could have found appropriate seat sharing formula before month of January, then we are quite sure that the result could have been very different. BJP could not win more than 180 seats. And if you go through the result, you can see at least 36 to 46 BJP win with a minimum margin. And this election also proved that people of India is not ready to accept this communal polarization. This Hindu-Muslim game, they are not ready. They are also not ready to use Ram as their political tool. So you see the 7 historical places connected with the Ramchandra ji. Everywhere BJP lost. Everywhere BJP lost the election, starting from Ajodhya, after spending crores of rupees and making such a big hue and cry. So they also lost. And generally people wanted that BJP should be contained. And I think that by this election we have achieved these things. And people also gave their verdict in defense of Indian constitution, which BJP was trying to propagate that if they will come to the power, they will change it. But I should say, for such a verdict, no political party should take any credit. It is the credit of Indian people that who guarantee that BJP should be cut to size. Second thing, in Manipur, we discussed the situation in Manipur and we reiterate our demand that present government should go and Chief Minister should extend his resignation. He could have extended his resignation after the election verdict on 4th June evening itself, but we could found that he is not ready to do it. And there is a move, at least in the central government level, I don't know, but it seems that they also understand that Manipur should not burn more. There has to be stop, because last 1 year more than 300 people have been killed, then thousands of people are displaced, and people of Manipur are become a refugee in their own country, in own state. How long these things will continue? How long these things will continue? So people want a solution, a permanent solution, not a solution which cannot continue more than 6 months. A permanent solution has to be found with the framework of unity and territorial integrity of Manipur. Our party don't believe that there can be 2-3 autonomous council within this Manipur. We believe that present character of Manipur should not be changed, because if there is a political will, we do believe that a political solution can be found out. And we are against of any military solution, because that will not bring peace or justice to the people of Manipur. we need a political solution, and for that aim, our party will take initiative to organize a broad-based meeting of different political parties, intellectuals, journalists, who will come and give their opinion how to find a permanent solution of the Manipur questions. And we also said that to find a appropriate solution, a permanent solution, we have to go into the deep history of the Manipur, from its joining to the Union of India. From that part, then there was a land reform, and you know what is the effect of land reform and many other issues which has to be addressed. You cannot bypass all those issues to find a solution. You have to take bold step, find out a solution on the historical perspective. So this is our demand, and then we also discuss how to strengthen our party, because once upon a time we have a MPs also from both sides, Manipur and also outer Manipur. We have MLAs. We are part of also the ministry, but now we are not. There was many weakness we can find inside our party. So we have decided that we have to overcome all these weaknesses, and we have to strengthen our party while we are going to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the foundation of our party in the year 2025. We have decided in the central level that this function will start from 26 December in 2024 from Kanpur, where the Communist Party was born. And 1 year full program will be there, and it is a big basket. With that basket, there will be many other organizational issues to overcome our weaknesses, and we should not hide that there is a degeneration inside the party. There is a many deviation inside the party. So we have to overcome all these things to keep the communist identity and communist values inside our party. So all these things we will do inside the party, but in the outside, for the people of Manipur, we can once again commit ourselves that we will do our best with the other organizations, other civil societies, to bring peace and justice as quick as possible in Manipur. So this is what we have to say.